guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute Pokemon charm. It has the bands up here, so then you can place it on keys or something. It's a keychain pretty much. So first you grab double bands. Make sure the arrow is pointing down. So grab the double bands and go down. Then you grab another set of double bands and go to the side, to the left side. Grab another set of double bands. We're using all of these red. And go left. There, now you can grab another set of double bands that are red. Go down. Grab another set of double bands that are red and go down. There, in here, in the middle here, we're not gonna add red bands. We're gonna add. Oh wait, yes, we are gonna add red bands. I got confused for a second. We're gonna add red bands here in the middle. And then we're gonna add a white of two pairs. There's two white bands, two pairs of white, white bands, and put them there. Another double band, put it here, and then now here in the middle, we're not gonna use white anymore. We are gonna use white, but we're not gonna use white in the middle here. We're gonna use black. And then over here, we're gonna put another set of white right here, going down. And then we pull. Oh, that was triple. Sorry, you only add double. Then you go close it off by going from both sides into the middle using double band. There. And then you push this down and grab one white band and we're gonna make a cat band, but it's triple looped. So one, you make it loop it 3 times instead of just 2. And then we're done with a Pokeball here, but we're gonna make the inside, the circle. So to do that, you're gonna go to any part of the loom down here, grab a single white band and go down, grab another single white band and go down. Push the middle down in between both of those. So you're gonna grab double band and loop it around here 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Push that down. Then now we're gonna grab your hook. You're gonna grab your hook and go in and go out and grab the bottom band right there, like that, and it should be connected over here. Then you're gonna go in the cat band and grab the other band in there, and that should be connected up here. Then you're gonna turn your loom over sideways, grab the bottom band here and put it up and over. Grab the bottom band, pull it up and over. You're gonna grab this band and pull it, not so hard so then it snaps, but pull it pretty hard because we're making a slip knot. So then it won't break. There, now you can grab the middle and take it out, and then you should have this kind of like round piece. So now we're gonna push these bands down and we're gonna add the round piece in between where the red and white are, and in between where the other red and white are. This is pretty loose, so we're gonna grab that band over here and loop it around as a cat band, and turn your loom around and do the same with the other one. make it a cat band. There. Now we're gonna add triangles. Push all of these down because we're gonna add the triangles. So grab a single white band and go from here, up here, and then back down, like a triangle. Then grab a single red band and go from here up to the black and back down. There. Now we're ready to hook. So you go in the cat band and grab the first two bands under the cat band, which connect here, and grab the other two bands under the cat band, and they should connect there. Then you grab the last band, and it should go vertically up. There, now you can hook all of the bands. Now you can hook them all normally, all the bands. So you grab this one and hook it. Oh, gotta push that down. Hook this up. Go in the middle, grab the double black band and hook it up. Go in here, grab the bottom two bands, hook it up, go all the way in here, grab the bottom two, go up, go all the way in here, grab the bottom two, and go up. There, now you go in the middle over here too, and grab, the double bands, and go up. Then you go in here and grab the double bands and move it to this side. Push that down, grab the double bands on this side and put it in the middle. And then try to go in all of those bands in here and grab the last two bands. Carefully put it up into here. Then you can add a C-clip right here because we're done. But I'm gonna just grab the bottom two bands and hook them up and over. Grab these two and pull them to make another slip knot. And then you're done. You just have to take it off the loom and there. Now you can kind of adjust, pull Pokeball and adjust it. And there you have your little Pokeball charm. I hope this video was helpful, and like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. I'll see you next time. Bye!